Today we're breaking down one of the most extreme pieces of server hardware you can actually spec into a modern enterprise system, a 4 TB DDR5 ECC Registered RDIMM memory kit built for high-performance infrastructure, specifically compatible with platforms like the Dell PowerEdge XE9680L rack server. This isn't consumer hardware, and it's not even close to workstation territory. This is full-scale data center memory designed for AI workloads, virtualization clusters, cloud computing environments, and massive enterprise databases that run non-stop. We're talking about a configuration made up of 16 individual 256 GB DDR5 modules, combining for a total of 4 TB of system memory. That kind of capacity completely changes how a server handles workload density, allowing it to run thousands of processes, virtual machines, and data streams simultaneously without hitting memory constraints. At the core of this kit is DDR5 technology running at 6,400 MHz, paired with PC5-5 1200 bandwidth. That translates to significantly higher data throughput compared to previous generation DDR4 systems, which is critical when you're moving huge datasets across CPU, GPU, and storage layers in real time. Another key element here is ECC error-correcting code memory. Unlike standard RAM, ECC actively detects and corrects memory errors on the fly. In enterprise environments, that level of reliability is not optional, it's essential. When systems are running 24/7 handling sensitive workloads, even a single-bit error can cascade into serious system instability. ECC prevents that. This is also RDIMM registered RDIMM memory, which improves signal stability and allows systems to scale to much higher capacities while maintaining reliability under load. Combined with a 4RX4 architecture, this setup is clearly designed for dense, high-capacity server configurations rather than typical computing use cases. Power efficiency also plays a major role here. Operating at just 1.1 volts, this DDR5 memory kit helps reduce energy consumption across large deployments. In data centers where hundreds of servers may be active simultaneously, even small efficiency gains scale into major operational savings. When installed in a system like the Dell PowerEdge XE9680L, this memory configuration unlocks serious enterprise-level performance. That platform is already built for AI acceleration, machine learning training, and high-throughput compute workloads. Adding 4 TB of high-speed DDR5 memory ensures there are no bottlenecks when handling large datasets or running multiple parallel workloads. To put this into perspective, most high-end consumer systems max out at 64 GB or 128 GB of RAM. Even enthusiast workstations rarely go beyond 512 GB. This setup operates on an entirely different scale, designed for infrastructure where memory capacity directly impacts performance and scalability. This kind of configuration is commonly used in cloud service providers, AI training clusters, enterprise virtualization farms, and large-scale scientific computing environments. Anywhere performance, uptime, and stability are critical, this is the type of memory architecture that gets deployed. DDR5 itself brings major improvements over previous generations, including higher bandwidth, better power efficiency, and improved multi-core scaling. When combined with ECC and RDIMM architecture, it becomes a foundation for next-generation enterprise computing. Compatibility is also streamlined for supported enterprise platforms like Dell's XE9680L series, making deployment easier in professional environments where reliability and certification matter. As AI and data workloads continue to scale in 2026, memory capacity and bandwidth are becoming just as important as CPU and GPU performance. Systems like this are built specifically to handle that shift. In short, this 4 TB DDR5 ECC Registered RDIMM memory kit represents the extreme end of enterprise computing where stability, scalability, and raw memory bandwidth define system capability. If you are planning a high-end server upgrade or building enterprise infrastructure, this kind of memory solution is engineered for exactly that level of demand. Hi guys, if you want to buy this 4 TB 16 by 256 GB DDR5 6400 MHz PC5-5 1200CL52 4RX4 1.1V 288 pin ECC Registered RDIMM NEMIX RAM Server Memory KIT compatible with Dell PowerEdge XE9680L rack server, then please visit the link provided in the description.